Number 5. The FMS 500mm PA-18 Micro RC. Airplane is a compact yet highly detailed model designed to deliver an authentic flying experience in a small, portable package. Inspired by the legendary Piper PA-18 Super Cub, this micro aircraft features a lightweight but durable airframe made from advanced materials that ensure both resilience and smooth flight performance. With a 500mm wingspan, it is perfectly sized for both indoor hauls and calm outdoor conditions, offering stability and agility that appeal to beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Its scale detailing, from the realistic fuselage lines to the accurate wing structure, enhances its visual appeal, while the integrated high-performance motor system provides reliable power and efficient thrust. The airplane is equipped with precise proportional controls, allowing for smooth maneuverability, stable hovering, and graceful turns, making it an enjoyable flyer across different skill levels. Easy assembly and user-friendly design mean pilots can get into the air quickly without complicated setup, while the responsive handling ensures every flight feels both controlled and exciting. This new release stands out for its blend of realism, performance, and accessibility, making it a versatile addition to the RC hobby. Number 4. The T-28 Trojan RTF is a stunning new RC plane release that combines scale realism with beginner-friendly performance, making it a favorite for both newcomers and seasoned pilots who appreciate classic warbird design. Modeled after the iconic North American T-28 trainer aircraft, this plane features a durable yet lightweight construction that enhances flight stability and resilience against minor crashes. Its powerful motor system ensures smooth takeoffs, reliable thrust, and plenty of control authority for aerobatic maneuvers, while the proportional control system allows for precise handling in the air. With its striking paint scheme and authentic detailing, the T-28 Trojan doesn't just fly beautifully, it also looks fantastic in the sky, capturing the essence of the original aircraft. The ready-to-fly setup means it comes equipped with everything needed to get airborne quickly, reducing setup time and letting pilots focus on the fun of flying. Designed for easy control, stable performance, and exciting flight characteristics. Number 3. The Avios Kobu Sport Scale Aerobatic Glider is an impressive new RC plane release that blends sleek design with high-performance flight characteristics, offering pilots a thrilling balance of scale realism and aerobatic capability. Inspired by full-size aerobatic gliders, it features a streamlined fuselage and efficient wing profile that delivers smooth handling, excellent lift, and precise maneuverability in the air. Number 2. The E-flite Eratix 3 DSWS is an exciting new RC plane release designed to deliver unmatched aerobatic performance with precision and control, making it a perfect choice for pilots who crave high-energy 3D maneuvers and smooth sport flying. Engineered with a strong yet lightweight airframe, this aircraft combines durability with the agility needed for demanding aerobatics, while its wide wingspan and optimized wing design provide excellent stability and control authority. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor system, it offers impressive thrust for vertical climbs, hover stability, and explosive maneuvers, yet remains versatile enough for relaxed sport flying when desired. The Eratix 3 DSWS features large control surfaces for maximum maneuverability, allowing for everything from tight rolls and flat spins to graceful harriers and hovering flight. Its modern design not only enhances aerodynamic efficiency, but also gives it a striking appearance in the air. With easy assembly, intuitive controls, and advanced performance capabilities, the E-flite Eratix 3 DSWS stands out as a bold new addition to the aerobatic RC scene, blending power, precision, and excitement into a single package. Number 1. The Avios Extra NG Semi-Scale 3D Aerobatic is a powerful new RC plane release that captures the bold design of the full-scale Extra NG while delivering thrilling performance for aerobatic enthusiasts. Built with a durable yet lightweight construction, it is engineered for extreme agility, allowing pilots to push the limits of 3D flight with confidence. Its semis